American 2828, short of 8 right.
American 2828, contact Miami Tower 18.3, good day.
Order tower, see ya.
Miami Ground, November 80924, Miami Ground, squawk 1306.
(1306) for November 80924.
Miami International Airport, 8 of information, Alpha 2253 Zulu. Wind 110 at 8. Visibility 10. 2,300 scattered. 18,000 scattered. Ceiling 25,000 broken. Temperature 29er. 2.24. Altimeter 29906. Approaches are being conducted to parallel converging and INTX runways. Arrivals expect ILS runway 8 right, ILS runway 9er, ILS runway 12, localizer DME runway 8 left. Aircraft landing runway 9er or runway 12 can X to hold short, NTFY approach if an app. Departing runways 8 left, 8 right, 9er, 12. Area navigation departure will be assigned heading. North of 2 airmen. Numerous cranes vicinity airport.
Miami clearance, American 1571, radio check.
American 1571, 55.
Alright, clearance, American 1571, would like to pick up IFR clearance to JFK.
American 1571, IFR to JFK, you're cleared by the American 1571, you're cleared to JFK Airport by the Valley to departure, then assault. Maintain 5,000, select flight level 37010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency of 124.85, squawking 1427, 1427.
Alright, American 1571, clear to JFK, we have the Raleigh to departure, then as filed, 5,003, flight level 370, 10 minutes after departure, 12485, and squawk 1427 on the box. American 1571.
American 1571, readback is correct. Push and start is at your discretion. Call me short of November for taxi. You can expect runway A-RAM.
Alright, they want us at 5,000.
Alright, clear the same one airport via skips to departure, skips transition then is filed, maintain 5,000, expect 300 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.85, squawk 1326 for American 1130.
Starting engine 2. Starting engine 1.
Miami Ground, good evening, American 2069, we have information, Bravo IFR to New Orleans.
American 2069, Miami Ground, good evening. You're cleared to the Kilo Mike Sierra Yankee Airport via the Winkle to departure, then assault. Maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 36010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 124.85. Squawk is 1402, 1402.
Alright, clear to New Orleans, Winkle to departure as filed, climb maintain 5,000, 360. 10 minutes after departure, departure going to be on 24.85 and 1402, 1402 in the box for American 2069.
American 2069, readback is correct. Push and start is at your discretion. Call me short of November 4 taxi. You can expect runway A right for departure.
Roger, A right.
After start checklist.
Anti-ice.
Set.
ECAM status.
Checked.
Pitch trim.
26% set.
Rudder trim.
0.
After start checklist complete.
Flight control check.
Full down. Full up. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Rudder.
Full right. Full left. Neutral.
Miami ground American 1571, we're ready to taxi.
American 1571, runway 8 right, taxi by November.
8 right via November, American 1571.
Clear left side.
Clear right side.
Citation number 235 Romeo Victor, Mission Bravo, request time bar to the tap. Citation 235 Romeo Victor, Miami ground, good evening. You clear to the Kilo Tango Papa Alpha Airport by the Miami 6 departure. Actually, 5 Romeo Victor, standby for FR. Roger. Alright, 5 Romeo Victor, you're clear to the Tampa International Airport by the Miami 6 departure, wind code transition, then as followed. Maintain 5,000, expect 16,000, 10 miles after departure. Departure frequency is 124.85, squawk 1457, 1457. Clear to Tampa via the Miami 6 departure, wind code transition, then as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect 16,000 and 10 minutes. Departure frequency 124.85 and squawk 1457, 1457 for citation 5 Romeo Victor. 5 Romeo Victor, readback is correct. Push and start is at your discretion. Calming shore of Kilo. You can expect runway 8 left for departure. I will expect 8 left and we'll call you short of Kilo. 5 Romeo Victor. And remember, 5 Romeo Victor, actually I apologize. Calming shore in November. You're on the, you're over by American. Yeah, I was just looking at the chart. We'll call you short of November. 5 Romeo Victor.
American 2280, flight heading 0701110 at 6, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, traffic on a 5-mile final.
Heading 070, clear for takeoff, 8 right, American 2280.
American 2584, 1 departure prior to your arrival.
Looking for 1 departure prior to my arrival for American 2584.
And advise American 1880 is still on the runway. I'm not sure if the traffic behind me is close or not.
You just got off of it. American 1571, flight heading 090, wind 110 at 6, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, traffic lands on the north parallel.
Alright, 090 on the heading, clear for takeoff, American 1571.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Cabin crew.
Advised.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
PAX.
On.
Before takeoff checklist complete.
Charlie Zulu Kilo Oscar Charlie, Miami Tower, runway 8 left, line up away.
Ready.
Ready.
Take off. Mantoga, SRS runway, auto thrust blue.
Check. Thrust set. .100 knots.
Check.
Number 80924, welcome to Miami, contact ground point 8.
V1. Rotate.
Contact ground for November 80924, thank you.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
American 1571, contact departure, see you.
Departure, American 1571.
This is not useful, and somebody else, was that 2138 saying you're establishing a localizer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now who was telling me good night?
Good night.
Miami departure, American 1571, flight 2,700, climbing 5,000.
American 1571, Miami departure, radar contact, flight present, heading, climb and maintain 16,000.
Present heading and 16,000, American 1571.
November 18, Mike, ready for departure at Miami Executive.
Flaps 0.